Guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Pop-Tart squishy. I made one yesterday, and it's not going to be the exact same. And it's like a mini Pop-Tart squishy. It's not very slow rising. It's just like a fast rising squishy. Like, here, I'll show you the panda bun I made. So I made this little panda bun too. Just like a makeup sponge. Like, I'll show you the makeup sponge I'm using. Very fast rising, but they make really cute squishies. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking my makeup sponge and I'm gonna cut a little bit of it off, and I'm gonna like trim it to make like a smallish rectangle. It doesn't have to be like really small if you're making it with me, but it has to be pretty small. And you can find the makeup sponges in a 15 pack, I believe, at the Family Dollar. But you can use any makeup sponge. Unless you don't want to decorate them, you can use basically the colorful ones too, but they'll just be harder to decorate. So, trying to make this a pretty nice, smooth Pop-Tart shape. Pop-Tart E shape, I should say. Yeah. Okay, so here's my Pop-Tart shape. I'm just gonna show you guys. It's like a little rectangle. And then I'm just gonna cut a little off the edge here, sorry. It's never even. So here it is. And then I think I want Okay, Presley, stop talking. And then I'm gonna take my orange Sharpie and color the bottom of it. She dropped one of her markers. Just gonna color that in. I kind of want to make this Pop-Tart have a bite out of it. I'm trying to make it have a bite out of it. No, it's just Nina. So I just made it have like a little cut in the corner. I'm going to color the rest of the bottom of it. Hi, Nina. And then like that.
Clean up some bobo.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's got to be done.
Yeah, well, I'm making a video.
Around out there when you're swimming.
Okay, stop, alright? I'm making a video. This is one thin Pop-Tart. So I made my shape. Now I'm going to color in the frosting and the middle of it. I'm going to use this dark pink to color in the middle of it, which is just that little white part of it. Actually a really dark pink. I think I'm also going to use the pink for sprinkles. Strawberry Pop-Tarts have white frosting and a bunch of pink and yellow sprinkles, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. A bunch of pink and yellow sprinkles. Pink sprinkles done. Pink and yellow and there you have it. I made this one yesterday. It's a chocolate Pop-Tart with pink frosting. And I made this one today.
But Dad, honey.
Okay, go get something to eat.
But there's some bad
So those are the squishies I made. And then I also made this panda bun. They're good size of Barbie squishies. Or just really tiny squishies for you. And then I'm working on a strawberry coloring in. And yeah. So I think these are really cute. They turned out really good. And I really like them. I think I'll make another on camera. I'm not gonna make another Pop-Tart though. This time I'm gonna make a
I thought that was dope.
jumbo panda.
What's that I would say?
Good. Now stop talking. I think I'm gonna make a jumbo panda.
I'll say a little bit.
Actually, no, not panda. Milk. Who knows the milk carton squishies? I'm getting one of them, and I really want to make one.
Why?
No, Presley. Sorry, but
Oh, this something.
stop. I don't want you to squish them. They're mine. Okay, so I made my milk carton shape. It's very
Can
easy.
you make him?
Yes. It's very easy to make. You just have to make a rectangle and do 2 little snips.
Whoa.
Presley, please stop. I'm trying to make a video.
Okay.
I'm going to make the pink one, I think. And it's not going to be perfect. No. Not perfect at making mini squishies. But they turn. Butters, you're not going outside. And then you have your little milk carton. I think it has a pink like holder that you like. You know how you hold and open the milk bar? That's pink on it, I believe. I'm gonna put it right there for now until I find my. Kind of wanted to be. This milk has closed eyes. Just gotta fix something on my screen. This milk has closed eyes, so I'm just gonna draw the little face. And the eyes are very easy to make. You just have to do 2 little like lumps like that. And then I think the mouth can be opened. The tongue. Yeah, we have a pool in the backyard.
But I'm up there.
So I'll show you all the squishies that I've made and all the I made. That's a mess. And then this is my panda bun squishy right there. These are my Pop-Tart squishies. My chocolate Pop-Tart and my strawberry Pop-Tart. And then over here is my milk. It's right there. It's very cute. And then that's the Barbie phone I made. So, see you guys next time I post. Bye-bye.